Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains what the Microsoft Excel app is and how it's positioned. The Microsoft Excel app is a spreadsheet and data management application developed by Microsoft, as confirmed by its official website and listings on the Apple App Store and Google Play Store. It is designed for creating, editing, and analyzing spreadsheets across mobile devices. According to official App Store descriptions, users can create spreadsheets, enter data, and use built-in formulas and functions directly within the app. The app also supports charts, tables, and data visualization tools, which are consistently highlighted across official Microsoft sources. This video is an informational overview based on publicly available descriptions. It does not guarantee app performance or user satisfaction, which can vary based on individual experience and updates. Based on Microsoft's official documentation, users can collaborate in real time by sharing files and working on spreadsheets with others. There are also features for cloud integration through Microsoft 365, allowing files to sync across devices using services like OneDrive. The app includes templates and formatting tools to help structure data and presentations, as described in official sources. Some features such as advanced data analysis tools or full desktop-level functionality may be limited on mobile, which is not always fully detailed and may vary depending on subscription level. The app may also support importing and exporting files in multiple formats, including Excel files and compatible document types, though exact compatibility can vary. This app may be useful for students, professionals, or anyone who needs to manage data or create spreadsheets on the go. For users interested in productivity and data organization tools, this could be an option. Whether this app is worth using depends on individual needs and preferences. If you found this video helpful, feel free to drop a like. And comment down below if you have any additional information on this app or notice anything missing or outdated.